Hello guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Catherine, and from the title of the video I think you have guessed that this is a packing video. So if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I quit my job to travel the world and that I am going to New Zealand on a working holiday visa for the next foreseeable future for at least 1 year, which is absolutely crazy. If you haven't seen those videos, I will leave them down below, so definitely go check them out. I explain everything there, and yeah, get comfortable, grab a cup of coffee or some beverage of choice or some snacks, because this video is probably going to be very long. I will show you everything that I am taking on this 1+ years trip to various different climates. So without further ado, let's get started. So this time around I am also going to go with my 36-liter backpack that I traveled with in Europe last year, and it was very good except for the fact that my zipper broke, but since then my mom has fixed the zipper, and so yeah, I will go with a 36-liter backpack. And then I also have this bag as my personal item, and it's already really heavy, so I think I might have to check in my bag, I don't know, because it's really heavy. And then as my other bag I will have this bum bag with my documents like passport, wallet, and phone. This is gonna be my day bum bag. And then I also will pack everything into these packing cubes that my mom DIY'd. They are the highest quality, so I will just go with them because I know I can trust them. The problem with this trip is that I have to pack for multiple various climates. So the thing is that I am not going straight from Latvia to New Zealand. I am traveling for 3 weeks in Singapore and Indonesia, which has tropical climate, so I have to wear summer clothes obviously. And then once I got to New Zealand at the end of February, it's gonna be the end of their summer, so it's gonna start getting colder. So it means that I need some warm clothes as well. And of course New Zealand doesn't have like terrible minus temperatures for the most part, but I still need some layers. So that was tricky, but I think I have managed to get a good mix between summer and fall and spring clothes that I can mix and match and layer. So without further ado, let's get into the clothes that I am taking. I have a bunch of different short sleeve tops and long sleeve tops. So I have one tank top that I can layer, and then once I'm in hot destinations I can also wear it simply with shorts. Then I have 3 short sleeved t-shirts. This simple one is just a very simple one, and then this maroon color, is this maroon color? I don't know. And then this like olive green color as well. I had these in Europe in the summer and I absolutely love them. They are still very good. And then I have one gray sports t-shirt for hikes and stuff. I will be hiking a lot in New Zealand hopefully, so. And then this blue long sleeve shirt that I can layer. I can also wear it once I'm doing some farm work or something like that. And then a thermal top. Obviously New Zealand is kind of like cold and windy, so I will need a thermal top, and I'll probably wear it to the airport because I have a layover in Berlin and only then I'm going to Singapore, and so in Berlin it's still winter, so I'll need some thermals. And then another like simple long sleeve shirt. It's very simple, it has these like ruffles, but again I can layer it with something, and once it's warmer I can wear it simply with jeans or something, you know? And then I have 3 sweaters, which is kind of excessive probably, but honestly I love them so much that I just can't leave them at home. So this one is a hoodie. Obviously for like hikes and more sportsy activities you would need hoodies rather than sweaters. And then this really pretty sweater that's like multiple colors, but it's really pretty. I love it, so I'm just gonna take it. And it's light, it doesn't take much space. And then this one I'm probably gonna wear to the airport. This is more heavy, but I absolutely love it. It's very warm. It's like so warm and soft, and yeah, I will just take this one as well. Then I have 2 more like summer clothes. I have this really pretty dress. It's very simple and I'm only taking one dress with me. That is so unusual for me because I love dresses, especially in hot climates. And then this really kind of like fancy but really beautiful play suit. I bought it very recently and it's not something I would usually wear with holes like this, but I absolutely loved it, and it was only $4.99, and I just feel so confident in it. So I'll be wearing it a ton in Singapore and Bali. So let's go to my bottoms. So these are all of my bottoms. I think that's a lot, but honestly I tried to minimize as much as I could, and for some people this is already very little, but for me this is kind of a lot. So I have these simple black leggings for hiking or maybe like for hostels or something like that. And then I also have these sports leggings for hiking and gym and workouts and stuff like that. I just thought it would be good because New Zealand has so many hikes and bushwalks and trails that I will be doing that a lot. I love outdoors. And then I will be traveling in these black jeans. I think black jeans are always good, and once I go to job interviews I will probably wear these as well. I don't know. And then I also have these shorts, simple jean shorts, self-explanatory. Maybe once the summer in New Zealand rolls around, I will get a new pair of shorts, but for now, for the next 3 weeks, I will need this pair of shorts. And then also I will have a thermal pants underneath my jeans once it's cold. And then I also have this pair of shorts. It's like simple pair of shorts that I will be wearing as pajamas, but then maybe once I do farm work in the summer or something, I will also be wearing these outdoors, because when you do farm work or like cherry picking or any other fruit picking, you don't need to be wearing fancy clothes, right? And then probably a thing that I need the least, but it's kind of like my luxury item, are these jeans that I absolutely love. They have these holes and I absolutely love these jeans. They're my favorite summer pants and I just absolutely love them. So yeah, I am willing to sacrifice the space for these. And then lastly, I also have this rain/wind jacket with me. It can't be folded really tiny, but I will try my best. So that is it for clothing. I will also have this packing cube with my underwear. So I have 14 pairs of underwear. I also have 5 pairs of socks. I also have 1 swimsuit. Yes, I know that is crazy, but as I said, I'm only going to be in Southeast Asia for 3 weeks, and then I'm going to New Zealand where it's going to get colder, so I don't think I will swim a lot there. So I only have 1 swimsuit, and then I have 1 extra sports bra, and then also these like hiking thermal socks, and plus I will be traveling in fuzzy socks. And then I will also travel with 4 pairs of shoes, which is probably excessive, but that is what it is. So I have these old flip-flops and they are still fine, so I don't care. I will be wearing them at hostel bathrooms. And then I will also be taking some sandals. It's gonna be hot in Singapore and Bali, and then I will probably need them in New Zealand at some point as well, so I really just like sandals. So, and then I will also travel with these sneakers. These are probably just gonna be my city shoes and like that because they are light, but who cares? And then as my hiking shoes, I will have these boots that I bought a few months ago, and I haven't tried hiking in them, but they have a good grip, so I hope that I will be fine. And then a few extra things that I am taking is this travel towel, but I will probably buy a sarong or something for beach, because this cannot be laid on the beach because it just everything sticks to it. I really don't like it, but for hostels where they don't provide towels, it's good to have at least something. And then another thing that I am having is this food container. It is not big, but it is collapsible, which is really great. As I said, it's not very big, but I can pack some snacks in it and some leftovers for lunch or something like that. So it's always good to have a container when you travel long term. And now let's get into this personal bag that is incredibly heavy, and I don't know how I will carry it all around, but this just has all of the things that I need and I don't know what else to do. So in here I just have a water bottle, and then here I have a bunch of stuff. I have my first aid kit that is still empty, but I will fill it up with some first aid things like painkillers and I don't know, band-aids and stuff like that. Then I have my sunnies. I think in New Zealand I will definitely need Sunnies and also in Southeast Asia as well. Then as a language lover and just like a person who loves journaling and writing, I have a pencil case with 2 pens and then some colorful markers. Then I have this little weekly planner where I will be writing some like to-do lists or things like my schedule. And then also a glasses case for my glasses. And I think that is it in here. And then in the big compartment, it only has one big compartment, so gotta work with what we have. I didn't want to spend lots of money buying different travel gears just for this trip. So I have an extra water bottle because this is only ½ liter and this is ½ liter. And so if I go on hikes, I want to be as hydrated as possible. So 2 water bottles it is. And then my headphones because they don't fit in my tech bag. Then my tech bag that we will look through in a second, a notebook like life planner, diary, whatever, like Bible study notebook, whatever it may be that I need to write down, and then also a document folder that I will keep all of my like copies and most important documents in here. Then also a Wordzuch puzzle for planes, and then my laptop. So now let's go through my tech gear. Alright, so this is a bag for gadgets, and so I have 2 tripods. Yes, because this one only has horizontal layout, but it's really good for like if I ever film study videos or something like that, or I need to film something on the table or something, you know. And then this one also has the vertical layout for Instagram photos and videos, but the horizontal layout is not very good. So yeah, I need to take both of them, unfortunately. Then I also have my electric toothbrush charger. I also put my locker here. Then I also have my phone charger, obviously, my Mi Band charger. This is for filming underwater. Then I also have a power bank and a charger for it, and just like, you know, I can use this as an extra USB. You never have too many. And then a really great thing is a travel adapter. First, I will actually really need it in New Zealand because they have different outlets, and then also it has multiple plugs, so I can charge multiple devices at once. And then I also got an external hard drive with a cable, and this is my USB for charging my headphones. So yeah, that is it. And last but not least, we need to go through my travel toiletry bag. I already have some things bagged for TSA, but let's go through what I have in here as well. And then in my toiletries bag, I have lots of stuff. So basically, I have a razor, electric toothbrush, hairbrush, lip balm. Then I also have this soap for like it's body soap, and then this solid shampoo, solid conditioner, dental floss, menstrual cup, and then here I have a bunch of hair ties and then nail clippers. This is like a leg band, and then an extra razor, and then some extra heads for my toothbrush. And then I will also have this Rose Touch face mask because I think after a long haul flight this will be very useful. And then for my liquids, I have so much stuff. I hope they don't kill me at the airport. So basically I have sunscreen, deodorant, toothpaste. This is a glasses cleaning spray. This is face wash. This is not a body lotion. This is moisturizing cream. This is a cream after hikes, like gel, something like that. And then this one is also not a foot cream, but it's actually SPF 50 sunscreen. And then I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was interesting to watch. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And also, if you feel like supporting me, I have a Buy Me a Coffee page down below. And yeah, I will see you very, very soon. Bye!